Morning guys. Last 2-3 days in Sainj was demanding and was unimaginably pretty, and it was a blissful experience, man. So last day before I leave for another trip, I thought why not come here to this ground, which is one of my favorite grounds here in Himachal. Even more than Khajia, I love this place. And this is Shangarh ground. One unimaginable thing about this ground is that even if you want, you cannot find a large piece of stone. You can still find small pieces of stone, but you won't be able to find any large piece of stone. That's how vast the ground is. It looks completely unbelievable because when you park your car, you actually don't see the ground. Okay, you have to walk for, I think, exactly 2 minutes, and unexpectedly this entire huge ground comes out and out of nowhere, and you think, oh my god, I mean, if this was a football field, people would have to run a lot. I mean, so this temple burned down few years back, and फिर सब गांव वालों ने अपने कम्युनिटी फंड से इस पूरे मंदिर को बहुत नए से बनाया था. And now this entire structure is completely wooden. I mean, the entire work which has been done, the entire depiction of the storyline of goddesses and deities over here is extraordinary. And this is one of the reasons that I love Shanghai, is because the Katkoni architecture of this place is marvelous. I mean, look at the small details that they have, the small details that they have done over here. This is something must come over here. अंकल से मैं जब भी मिलता हूँ, अंकल हमेशा सिर्फ एक चीज़ बोलते हैं, वो है पीस.